Meets assured, an AI-powered QA you run yourself. No agency onboarding, no 2 week statement of work. Upload what you built and get a real-time report. One dashboard for every test run. API, security scan, load and stress, functional web and mobile, all in one timeline. So I'm going to walk you through how to use Assured. So before you start out, you create a project. Or in my case, I already created a project with the new project tab. You fill in your details and then you click on the button to get started. So once that project is created, you select the project name, you click on that, and it should show you results of tests, previous tests run, and you can also run new tests here. So in a test, so you can select any of the tests which are available here from functional testing, API testing, unit testing, stress testing, load testing, VAPT testing, and some coming soon testing that will be available in the future. So for the sake of this test, let's say we want to run a simple, let's go with a VAPT test. So here's the description on what to do, a guide, a detailed guide, a step-by-step guide, giving you reward scenarios and example on how you can test and also details concerning how to read the results. So for instance, you want to run a test, you select a project, one of the projects in which you created, you select that, you add a base API URL here, then you add an authentication token if that's available. It's optional. So if it's available or not, you add that here. So you specify the endpoint in which you plan to attack. Then once you specify everything, there's also a scan scope with variety of options here. You can select or remove what you want, any one of your choice. Then the scan tuning is a more advanced option in which you select the max payloads, the timeouts, and also if you want it to follow redirect, that redirect links, it says you can either select this or unselect this. Then you launch the APT scan. So the results from doing that should look something like this. This was an earlier test I ran. So it gives you this an overview tab in which you see the overview of what was run, the severity breakdown, vulnerability, categories, and scan configuration. Then you're able to see the vulnerabilities here. You drop this down to get more details about that, each of them. Then the results table and the AI analysis. You first of all go through the AI analysis first. So the AI basically gives you a summary of what was run, gives you the overall risks. As you can see here, it's critical, security posture, and some more details, and basically just try to explain what the results are. Also gives you a remediation plan, then just specifies everything and also specifies positive findings also. So results are being stored on Airtable. So you first of all get this preview on what it will look like. So it's just a table for you to see all the results in one place. So the results are being stored in an Airtable. So you can also export CSV files and export PDF if you choose to. So you can basically pick any of the tests here and just run that. So you get everything all at once and on time instead of waiting for a long period of time to get that. So you can same platform that you can run screenshots of your web app. You can also